Namaste all. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone has filled the Delhi University registration form. Students who are seeking admission in St. Stephen's College, Jesus and Mary College, please make sure that you have filled the form on both the websites. One is on the Delhi University registration portal and the other is on the respective college portal. Let's not waste the time and get into the calculation of percentage. If anyone has studied PCM subjects in his 12th class but want to change his stream like taking biology subjects or zoology subjects, a minimum of 2.5 percentage will be deducted from his original percentage. I will also explain the rules for this deduction, so please stay tuned. The first example is for the PCM subjects. For the CBSE and ICSE boards, the division of the marks is 70 for theory and 30 for practical. So your calculation would be simply like this. Here I am selecting the CBSE board examination marks for the demo. If we take the marks of physics 65 out of 70, so it is 65 out of 70, and practicals 30 out of 30, which is directly 95 marks out of 100. And for chemistry 65 and 30, 65 in theory and 30 in practical, so the total would be 95 again. In mathematics 92 out of 100. For the best of 4, you have to choose any of the subject from the list A or B. If you choose any of the subject which is not in this list, you will be deducted some marks for that. I will show that deduction process, so please stay tuned. Here I am considering English, which is 96 out of 100. There are some courses which will take the best of 3 and some courses which will take the best of 4. So we are calculating both the marks here. For best of 3, we have to add all the marks, which is 95 plus 95 plus 92 and divided by 3. Let's calculate that. 95 plus 95 plus 92, which is 282, divided by 3, and the total percentage is 94. This is your percentage which you have to match this with the cutoff given by the college. In the same way, we will calculate the best of 4. 95 plus 95 plus 92 and 96 divided by 4. 95 plus 95 plus 92 plus 96, total is 378 divided by 4. So I'm writing it here. In this way, you have to calculate your marks for CBSE and ICSE boards and match this percentage with the cutoff given for every course in the college. Next, I will show the calculation for other state boards. You can skip some part of this video so that you can directly go to the deduction process. In case of any other state boards, it is quite different. Even if the result of 11th and 12th marks are given combined, you have to enter the 12th marks only. According to Delhi University, the theory marks for any subjects should be equal to 70 and the practical marks should be equal to 30. But if we take some examples like Telangana State Board, the total marks for physics equal to 60. In this case, we have to convert the theory marks to 70 and the practical marks to 30. If you can see here, he has obtained 55 marks for 60. We have to convert those marks to 70. So in physics, 55 out of 60. How many marks would be for 70? If we consider this, take this as x and do the cross multiplication. The value of x would be 55 into 70 divided by 60. 55 into 70 divided by 60. The percentage is 64.16, or we can simply write 64.17. For practicals, it is for 30 only, so no need to convert. We can directly write 30. The total marks would be 64 plus 30, which is 94.17. Similarly, we have to calculate the chemistry marks, mathematics and English. For the best of 4 subjects, you have to opt any of these subjects which are mentioned in this list A or B. If you select any of the subject which is not in this list, you will have a mark deduction. I will tell that in the next step. Before that, we will do the calculation. There are some courses which will take the best of 3 and some courses which will take the best of 4. So we are calculating both the marks here. For the best of 3, we have added physics marks, chemistry marks and mathematics marks. And then we have to divide it by 3. Let's take the calculator and calculate it. 94.17 plus 94.17 plus 100 and then divide it by 3. So the percentage would be 96.11. We will write it here, 96.11. And we will calculate the best of 4 also in the same way. 94.17 plus 94.17 plus 100 plus 95 and divided by 4, which is 95.835. Select the fourth subject which has more marks than the other subject. So we have calculated the percentage for both ICSE or CBSE and the other state boards. The deduction process for both the boards is same. Let us consider that the best of 3 is 95% and the best of 4 is 96%. If you can see here, for these courses like BSc Honors Chemistry, Physics and so on, DU considers only the best of 3. In the next point, these courses in the list consider the best of 4 scheme. If you want the course BCom Honors or BCom, 1% for the physics and 1% for chemistry is deducted. So your percentage would be 96% minus 2, which is 94%. And here it is considering only the best of 4. And there is one more case where if you add any of the subject which is not in the list A or list B, you will be deducted with minus 2.5%. For example, out of 4 subjects, there is one subject which is not mentioned either in list A or list B. So you will be deducted with minus 2.5, which is 96 minus 2.5 if you add any of the subjects like physics or chemistry, and additionally that 1% or 2% will be decreased. In the next point, you can see that if you want the admission in BA Honors Applied Psychology and more, percentage of 2.5 is deducted from the original percentage, like 96% minus 2.5%. And in case 2, if you add any of the subject which is not mentioned in either list A or list B, you will be deducted with one more 2.5%, like 96 minus 2.5% and again minus 2.5%. In this point, you can see that the PCM students can also opt BA Honors language courses like BA Honors French, German and so on. But in this case, you will be deducted with 5% marks, which is 96 minus 5%. And in case 2, as same always, if you have any of the subject which is not mentioned in the list A or list B, then an additional 2.5% will be deducted, which is 96 minus 5% minus 2.5%. And the last point, the PCM course students are not eligible for these courses, BA Honors Hindi and so on. The process for calculation of PCB marks is same as PCM. So if you understood how to calculate the PCM marks, you will understand the PCB process also. I will mention the Delhi University UG Bulletin in the description and the page number where you have to refer for PCB calculation and the rules for deduction of the marks. I hope you like this video. The next big challenge after getting the admission into Delhi University is the residence. I will suggest you some of the best residences near the Delhi University campus area, and also the important points to remember before taking the residence. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.